Mama, tell me how you're holding on. It's been rough since Daddy has gone. Just like a trooper, you keep going through. When I grow up, I wanna be just like you. I know it gets rough sometimes, but you always keep a smile on your face.
Ian Sweetness, Lovers Rock, we do everything. We do gospel, we do soul, because that's what I grew up on in Jamaica. In Jamaica, I'm going to tell the truth, I could never play reggae music in my house. No reggae music couldn't play in my house in Jamaica. There's only gospel or soul. There are Florida boy here I had, and we were passing this place here and passing this studio for a boy here till one evening. I tell my friend say, no, let's stop here. You understand me? And check this studio over here, see what them up to. So I go there and I say, hey, what's up, man? Good evening. And I say, this is a nice studio, man. The producer say, yes. You understand me? So what is going to require for you to give me that inquiry? I say, listen to this. Get me just pay for my band that I'm going to bring in. A live band and some harmony singers. See if you can pay for all of that. I'll give you a hit song. I went in the studio and I voiced that Little Green Apple. And trust me, it's the first I hear one song play 15 times on a radio station. You understand me? Trust me. And from that song was just, so that is the song now. I come back with the millennium to stamp back my name to say, yes, Ian Sweetness. Yes, is what you ready to do now, Ian Sweetness.
It's not loving me.
Ian Sweetness to the world.
That's all you got to say. Lord God, it'll make
they're on a project that people, the production team or the company pay for their team to get big because they put up money. Crazy music is coming, people, and my music is touch the heart and it's to touch the soul. So people is not no hype or nothing. I'm touching the heart and the soul. I need people to feel me, and when they listen to me at my show, they get goose pimple all over their body. Because that is the name of my corner on Facebook, the Goose Pimple Corner. People get goose pimple. So that is what we need people to get in my performance in the stage shows. People pay to see me, you get goose pimple. If you're still having kids, you go home and you make a baby. You understand me? Yes, if you have a little conflict where you come to the show the way how Ian Sweetness was and perform, you and your baby back together and go home nice and alright. You understand me? Yes, so that's what I'm bringing back in the music.
Let me give you the roses so you can see and smell them while your eyes are open. I don't want to wait till you are gone to tell you how I feel. Mommy, you're the only one in this world. You value more than diamonds and pearls. I can't find the words to tell you how I feel, mommy.
Listen to this. There's a lot of selectors I give their first dub plate. And I know so maybe it's about 15, 17 years they don't play Ian Sweetness. Every year I come out with music. You understand me, people? So I'm telling you, people, call the radio station, request your Ian Sweetness music. Don't scared. Anybody can call a radio station. Anybody. You understand me? Anywhere you're at and you feel like you want to call that radio, call it and request your Ian Sweetness. That is what bring up Ian Sweetness. Where the people see me and say, Ian Sweetness, I don't see you up on the show there. I'm going to see you up on the show there. Ian, I should have you up on the show there, people. All you got to do, call these people who's keeping the show and request Ian Sweetness. You want to hear Ian Sweetness on your show. They will call me, they will book me.
Nothing leaves as much your smile
To touch your smile. Oh, if anything I missed, nothing could resist your smile. Building up my fan base together. You understand me? Please check me out on all those social media. Ian Sweetness Facebook, Ian_Sweetness Instagram. Ian Sweetness to the world. You understand me? Lots of songs coming. Gospel, dancehall, and reggae blues. You understand me? But I'm working my reggae blues to the top because a lot of people writing on Facebook, Ian Sweetness, so you're the king of reggae blues. Well, here I'm going to do the work. You understand me? So I could get that position. Yes, remember the Matrix Rhythm is coming soon. Ian Sweetness of Hey Girl, you call it a commotion. Hey girl, you're causing a commotion on it. You understand me?
Hey girl, you're causing a commotion. I wanna give you my love and devotion. You're putting me in a sticky situation. The way you turn me on, I like how you work it. Tell me, baby, is it worth it?
Come chat with me.